IGCSE Maths. So let's solve the problem of IGCSE chapter view 1, question number 9. Arrange the fractions in order of size, smallest first. So step number 1, write these fractions again with the same denominator. In order to find out the same denominator, we will have to take the LCM of 4, 6, 12. So LCM will be LCM 24. Now what we need to do, we need to make sure that all the denominators of given fractions are 24. So let's see how we can convert that denominator of first fraction into 24. Let me write it down. 5 by, so how we can convert 24? I'll have to multiply 8 with 3. I will have to multiply the numerator also with 3. Check for the second. We'll have to multiply 4 with 6. Next fraction is 5 by 6. The next fraction is 7 by 12. I have to multiply 12 by 2 to make it 24. So that numerator should also be multiplied by 2. Step number 2, once all the denominators are same, next step, the first fraction will be 14 by 24 and lastly 20 by 24. But although we have already arranged them from smallest to the greatest, but these were not our original fractions. So let's rewrite them into our original fractions. You know that 14 by 24 came from 7 by 12. So I'll write 7 by 12 first, comma. 15 by 24, it was generated from 5 by 8. So next is 5 by 8. 20 by 24 were generated from 5 by 6. You can see this. That's the answer. Question 11a. Work out an estimate for the value of 27 into 3.14 divided by 0.29. Here it's not given that up to how many significant figure we have to do that estimation. In that case, you can consider it up to one significant figure. So 27, since 7 is greater than 5, so we can consider 27 as 30. 3.14, 4 is less than 5, so we can convert that into 0, so this will become 3.10. 1 is also less than 5, so we can estimate this to 0, and ultimately we'll have 3. Here is 0.29, 9 is greater than 5, so this can add up to the next digit 2 and it will become 0.3. 30 into 3, 90. If you want to remove the decimal point, so you have to divide 0.3. It can be 3 by 10, because if you remove the decimal point and there's only one digit after the decimal point, that's why we can divide this number by 10. 1 with 1 0. Why 1 0? Because we have one digit after the decimal point. Now this 3 by 10 will become 90 into 10 by 3, because the fraction in the denominator will flip, and 10 will become denominator, 3 will remain as denominator, will be 300. So this is the estimated value of the given. Solve this question. 13a, write the decimal 0.875 as a fraction in its lowest term. 0.875, because there are 3 digits after the decimal point, so we can write this as 875 divided by 1 and 3 zeros. So let's reduce this. 5 ones are 5, 3 and 7 37, so 5 sevens are 35. 35 and 37, you have a 2 balance, so that 2 can become 25, will become 5 fives are 25, and this will be 5 twos are 10, 500, 500. Further we can solve, and 217, the 2 can combine with 2 become 25, so 5 fives are 25. Here 5 4s are 20, 5 0 0. Again we can further reduce. 5 7s are 35, so 5 8s are 40. So answer will be 7 by 80. So converting a recurring decimal is always a challenge. Why? Because 0.45, this 45 continues up to infinity. So we don't know how many 45 will come further. So we can write this in short, recurring decimal in this way also we can write down 0.4.5 dot. That means this will keep on continuing. Now how to solve this question? It has a special technique. Let's consider this as r is equal to 0.45 dot here and dot here, which means this is recurring decimal. First multiply on both sides by 10. Multiply on both sides by 10. So write down here, multiplying on both sides by 5, and definitely it will have, because it is continuous, so 4 5 4 5, so we'll pick the next 4 from the next 45, so it will become 4.54. Now again we multiply it by 10 once more time, 10 on both sides. See that we have to continuously keep multiplying by 10 on both sides until this reoccurring decimal, it comes on the left hand side. So you can see that now 45 is before the decimal point, now 45.45. Now we have to subtract r is equal to 0.45 from 100, r is equal to 45.45. So we'll subtract r from 100, r is equal to 45.45, and after subtraction we get 99, r is equal to 45. So after transferring 99 to the right hand side, it will become r is equal to 45 by 99. Let's reduce it. So 9 5s are 45 and 9 11s are 99. So r will be equal to 5 by 11.